Today I will show you a new agent that we are training. It's called Elena. And Elena, it is, as you see, a support bot. And I'll show you the genesis right away. So Elena has a scope as customer support for electronic devices. And his his job is to help user to troubleshooting electronics like washers, washing machines, dryers, microwaves, ovens, television, and for other electronic device that we don't have it in our store. Is not trained and will respond that is not trained. Also, the thing is that the new thing for this use case is that if Elena doesn't know how to troubleshoot the electronic device, Elena will ask the user to open a ticket or to conduct a human support. On human, we have only one agent, and for that working, you need to have a spreadsheet, and also you need to have an email address that it is declared here on profile. Here it's my Google email address. So let's start and let's go to ask Elena if can help us. Okay, Elena, I have a problem. Can you help me? Let's check what Elena will say. So, yeah, it's very nice, obviously. And say that you specialize in washer dryers, microwaves, ovens, and televisions. So I will tell that I have a problem with my oven. Can you help me? Okay, and depends on the problem. Sometimes say that if you want to go directly with a human agent, or sometimes set not. So I will tell not, and yeah, please help me to troubleshooting the oven. Okay. Oven. Okay. Let's start. Okay. It's operating or it's parking inside. So I will say that but you realize that everything that it's here, it's invented right now. This is why I'm so inconsistent. I don't know. Sometimes is working and sporadically not. Okay, I will not I'll go further, and I'll say that please open a ticket for me, because this is the scope of this video. So I will open a ticket, and Elena will say that the ticket, which the ticket number was opened successfully, and in the same time, I receive an email, and in email it said that, "Hi, I'm Elena, your Pulse AI assistant," and said that the ticket was opened by the client name with WhatsApp number, and to give me the history messages. And also I have this ticket on Google Sheets, but in in a briefly form. Good. So we have it here as a very briefing, and we can look at that and say that this client open a ticket, and this is the ticket number, and we can check on email. Also, at the customer support, we can write everything in their database. If they have application, a service application, it's very simple because will be managed by their application. So yeah, this is it. Thank you.